Yolande Poirier from Oracle Technology Network, and I'm here today at the Oracle User Group Summit and with Mohamed
Chargui,
VP
Marketing and Operations from the Arab Oracle User Group.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we want to talk today about gamification. So you use gamification in your community, and
Sure.
so what did you do there?
Came across a big challenge, which is the absence of good payment channels online for those whom they're wanting either to acquire or get a content from any online store or from any online service provider. So even if you have the money, governments will not allow you to send that money back unless you have a visa on your passport. So we came across an idea and we said, why not, if you have a great idea and you can serve the community with any excellent idea which may serve to improve the content, enlarge the network, and make the knowledge much more smoother, and help the community existing. And we said, let's say you are brilliant in French or in English, and you can translate one article for us, just a one-paper article, from English to Arabic, so that we can really make the Arabic content more and more valuable. This is one of the examples. Maybe if you are brilliant in Android or in iOS, and you can build an app for us which helps the members contribute more and being more close to the community, then that's also a contribution you can give, and we can give you services against services which you can give it to us. We have strong and strategic partners working closely with us on problems and challenges which they believe that really can solve and bring and improve knowledge in the region, and they really believe in that. And how we do it, let's say you are a partner or you are an X company or a Y company and coming to us and would like to post your training packages on our website, or you would like to have an online conference to gather people and to let people know what do you have as product. And what you can give it to us is just a couple of free seats. It depends on what is your target. Let's say if you're targeting 100 seats for your training, then what we ask from you is just couple of percentage based on the need. We take those seats, and based on the contribution of our members, let's say if you are a golden member reaching a threshold of 1,000 points, then you are a golden member and you can get a free training out of the packages which we are getting from the partners. And here gamification works. We started applying a couple of basic mechanics like points, level, badges, trophy, and we are working closely with a startup partner in France, which is an open source community called GMM, which has started a year back, and we have been closely working, and we have currently an instance which is running internally, and we're planning to release it very soon.
So what do people need to do to get into the different levels?
Okay, we have in our gamification system, we have a business rule automated system which, let's say, says if you are a member and you have been working with us since 5 years and you are a 16 years old person and you have solved a problem which is 5 level complex, then you can get 100 points. So it's something which mainly built based on our business rule engine, which is tightly coupled with the gamification engine, and actually that makes a kind of weight. It's an equation which gives weight to tasks. If you are a person who is 20 years of experience and you're doing this job, you will not for sure get the same points which a 16 years old child did it. Obviously he needs more points, or he deserves more points than you, and we take that into consideration. Our assets are mainly 2 assets in the Arab Oracle User Group: network of people from different level of expertise, experts, gurus, professionals, beginners, intermediate, even dummies. We welcome everybody. We don't have any issue with that. But the point is, if you are coming and contributing, this is the first asset we have, which is the manpower, which is the driving power for bringing a change into anything you want. And the second thing is the content, which is one of the points which, thanks to it, we are still existing, and we would like to make it as impressive as possible so that we really can retain more people to us. So content, and if you are willing to contribute to our content, we will be more than glad to get your contribution into our community. Our community, as I mentioned, it's a kind of an Arabic OTN which gets all problems solved in the Arabic language. Today, if you go to the OTN, you will find the knowledge mostly in English language, which is the technology language. Even with different other languages like French, German, Italian, you may find navigation. That's true, but content it's not available. And if we make it available in 360 million people whom they're residing in the region in their own language, I believe that's going to make a big difference, because language comes as a barrier in front of people to learn something and to move from a living standard to another one.
So how many people do you have today in your community?
Today we have 101,000 plus members. And we have 5,000 to 6,000 people visiting us daily. We help them solving their daily technical problems. We are also helping them in getting in touch with our partners and finding jobs. Those people wanting to migrate from a career to another as well. So if you are a 10 years, a 20 years experienced guy in PL/SQL and you would like to learn ADF and learn Java, that can happen as well.
Yeah. How many countries are participating in the Arab?
Saudi Arabia, Egypt, North African countries, Jordan. We have started also getting contribution from France, from the UK, members from North America, from Russia and from India as well.